Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to fix avatar option not showing on Instagram. So avatar is a new feature that is added on Instagram and on Facebook. Now you'd see the avatar option on the settings page, and inside settings if you tap on account, here you should be able to see an option of avatar right here. But if you don't see this option, there are a couple of things that you can try out. The first thing you can do is update your apps on Instagram. Head over to the Play Store and the apps or the App Store and search for Instagram. If there is an update, make sure you update the app. Updating apps allows you to use any kinds of features that is added on Instagram or any other platform. The next thing you can do is try to clear the cache and data of Instagram. Tap and hold on Instagram and tap on app info. Now on the bottom you'll see an option of clear data. You can tap on that and tap on clear cache. Even after you do the steps, your avatar option is not still showing. Now you'll need to report the problem directly to Instagram. Tap open the app of Instagram, head over to the profile on the bottom right, tap on the three lines on the top right, tap on settings, head over to help and tap on report a problem. Now you can simply type in the problem that you're facing directly to Instagram. You can add in the topic of the avatar and the problem that you're exactly facing. The other thing you can also do is take a screenshot of the area where the avatar is located. You can simply take a screenshot and head back to report a problem. And you can tap on gallery and import the screenshot. After the screenshot has been added and you've typed in your problem, you can simply tap on next. After that is done, you should be able to see the option of avatar within a few days. So if this video helped you out, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up, and I'll be back soon with more videos similar to this.